Are you a forex trader? If yes, then watch this video right up to the end. This video, I'm going to be teaching you a wonderful strategy, a strategy that will make you profitable in less than a month. And also, it is a win-win strategy. Not like there are no losses, there are few losses, but the win rate and the risk to reward ratio is really, really high. A minimum of 1:5 risk to reward ratio. This is the strategy that every trader is looking for. And if you are watching this video, you are lucky enough to learn this strategy, and I'm giving you for free. So if it's your first time watching my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also share this video. Why not drop whatsoever you want to learn concerning forex down in the comment section, and I'm going to do a video for you. Also, go to my description. You're going to see a Telegram link. Click on that Telegram link and join my Telegram community, where I'm going to give you all signals for free, and also some few fundamental analysis, technical, and also free knowledge. So let's go straight to the chart and let me review this magical strategy to you. Watch to the end, guys, if you want to become profitable. All right, guys, here we are on the chart, and as you can see, this is a trade I took last week on Gbpusd. You can see how my entry was a sniper entry, and you can see my TP was the exact target. Immediately I hit TP, price reversed. So the question is, how did I manage to take this trade? What made me to take this trade at this point? So let us do our technical analysis and see how it works. So for you to analyze your chart, the first thing you do is you go to the weekly time frame. Why the weekly time frame? To see the overall direction of the market. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what price is doing. So the weekly time frame. Now looking at the weekly time frame, what can we see? We can see that price currently is on a downtrend with break of structures to the upside, a change of character at this point, or a market shift at this point here. This was a market shift here, automatically became a downtrend. So now I know that my overall direction in the market is the downtrend. So I'm going to go to the daily time frame to see if price is still on that downtrend, because the higher time frame might be an uptrend while the lower time frame is a downtrend. So let us go to the daily time frame and look at it. Now I go straight to the daily time frame. Now what can I see? I can see that at this point here, price is still on a downtrend, giving me a series of a lower high. So this lower high here is actually what I caught. So why did I take that trade? On the daily time frame, it is not that clear. It's not that clear on the daily time frame. But if we go to the 4-hour time frame, now on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that at this point there was a little range here. You can see that, and it gave me this other block here, this other block here. So this other block, I have a break of this support. So you can see I can consider this as a 4-hour market shift. So what did I do? I simply spot out my 4-hour order block. It is not clear here, but if I go down to the 1-hour time frame, you are clearly going to see that other block there. There is the other block on the 1-hour, and I took it as my point of origin. Before price got to that other block, it created some liquidity here. Before price got there, it created some liquidity at this point. It created some liquidity at this point. This was liquidity. Then price stripped that liquidity into my zone, and boom, it sold to the downside. And where was my target? The last 4-hour low to the downside. So this video was too fast, and maybe you might not understand how exactly this strategy works. So keep watching this video. Let me explain exactly what is this strategy. So this strategy, it's simply, you can either trade the trend or a reversal. So you can see, let me say price in an uptrend, give higher low, higher high, higher low. So what am I focused on? Each higher low, or when price form a break of structure, when price form a break of structure like this to the upside, you can see this is a break of structure. Sorry about that. Let me label that part. All right, this is a break of structure to the upside. Here is another break of structure to the upside. So when price keep breaking structure, after this break of structure, what am I going to do? I'm going to look for the origin of this break of structure. Like, where did it originated? Where did the impulsive move started? Now, when I spot out that impulsive move, the next thing I look is, did that move create an imbalance or a fair value gap? If it did, now the next thing I'm going to look at is there liquidity resting close to that zone? So if there's no liquidity, I'm going to wait for price to get closer to that zone. And if price creates liquidity before mitigating that zone, then it's going to make it valid. So there are 3 concepts to look at you look for break of structure, you look for imbalance, and you look for liquidity. Once these three characteristics are being met, you can now happily take your trades. So let us go back to the chart. I can see I had a break of structure here to the downside. Now, after this break of structure to the downside, and when price got close to it, it formed liquidity. And that is why I saw my setup to be valid. And I happily sold GBP from this point. So I sold GBP from this point. My SL order block and my TP the last 4-hour low. So guys, if you are watching this video, today is the 21st of December and it is a Saturday. So if you are watching this video before Monday, let us analyze another pair which has this same setup and see how it's going to play out. So let us go straight to XAU which is gold. On Friday, I was able to spot this same setup on gold. So take a look at it, guys. This is the same break of structure I had. Look at the type of order block I have here. It is the same I had on GB, that order block clearly. You're clearly going to see that order block here. Now, what has happened? Price has created, I have this liquidity. I have this liquidity here. And I also have this one here, this high here. So price has created liquidity. I have this liquidity here as well. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting that price should sweep this liquidity, tap into my zone, and sell to the downside. As you can see, I had a massive fall here, which also created an imbalance. Let's check the 4-hour time frame to see the imbalance clearly. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see the fair value gap or the imbalance. So since liquidity has been created, there is imbalance, and there was a break of structure. It means it respected my trading strategy criteria. So what am I going to do? I'm simply going to wait for price to get there. Then I take my trade with a sniper entry. So if you are watching this video before, as I said earlier, today is the 21st of December, Saturday the 21st of December, then we still have Sunday, then we have Monday. If you are watching this video before then watch the price and see how price action plays out and see how it's going to go our direction. So guys, here is the video and here is the strategy. Keep watching my videos, join my Telegram community where I'm going to explain detailedly how this video is being done to you. So click on the link on my description and join my Telegram community. Also do well to hit on the subscribe button so that each time I come live here on YouTube, you can also be notified so you can join and learn this strategy successfully. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.